So in this video, we're going to be doing a before and after of the dog's dishes. As you can see, they've already had their meals. The dishes are pretty dirty. And for some of you looking at it, you may say, well, it doesn't look that dirty to me. Well, trust and believe when I tell you, they lick their dishes pretty clean, but there's still a good bit of residue. So let's just go ahead and get into cleaning these dishes. So we want to fill the sink up with some pretty hot soapy water. You can use any dish detergent that you want to use. We're using Palmolive today, so we put those dishes in there. Get it really nice and soapy, sudsy, filling it up so we can just really submerge the bowls. When the dogs eat the food, it can get caked up in there, and even though they like to lick their dishes pretty clean, it builds up the residue and all that nasty gunk. Some people may say, well, they're just dogs, whatever, just wipe it out with a paper towel. But no, we want to make sure their dishes are pretty clean. Like, you wouldn't want to eat your food off of a dirty plate, would you? So yeah, we're going to make sure their dishes are clean as well. So after we clean it, we rinse them out, set it out, and just let them air dry, because you can, wipe them down, dry them if you want, but we just let them sit out and air dry. And there you have it. So you can see the difference. The before and the after, their dishes are really clean. And so they're ready for their next paw licking good dinner. And they are going to have us ready to clean these dishes again. So hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the S line of Staffy's channel, like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.